It can be incredibly frustrating and even a bit scary when you've taken the courageous step to report a serious issue at work, only to be met with silence. You might feel like your concerns are being dismissed, or worse, that your report has vanished into a black hole. It is a common situation, and it can leave you feeling helpless, but there are always steps you can take to move forward. If no one responds to your workplace report, the first and most crucial step is to diligently document every action you take and every communication you send. This creates an undeniable record of your efforts to address the situation and serves as a vital foundation for any future escalation, whether internal or external. The reason documentation is so important is that it builds a clear, objective timeline of events. Without a paper trail, your report and subsequent attempts to follow up can become harder to prove or even be inadvertently overlooked. Companies often have protocols for handling reports, and by documenting your steps, you are ensuring you have evidence that you followed those protocols or that the company did not. This record becomes your primary tool to demonstrate that you acted responsibly and that your concerns deserve attention. To effectively follow up, start by reviewing your company's policy on reporting issues, which is usually found in the employee handbook. Then, send a formal follow-up communication, preferably in writing, referencing your initial report and politely inquiring about its status. If you still do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider escalating your concern to a higher authority, such as a more senior human resources representative, a different manager, or even the ethics hotline if one exists. Always keep copies of these communications, noting dates, times, and names of individuals involved. Understanding terms like retaliation protection is key here, which refers to legal safeguards preventing an employer from taking adverse action against you for reporting issues in good faith. Additionally, be aware of any statutes of limitations, which are time limits for filing legal claims. These vary by state and the type of claim. While navigating this, remember to communicate factually and avoid emotional language, as clear and concise statements are always more impactful and easier to understand. Focusing on the facts will always serve you best. By systematically documenting your actions and understanding the appropriate escalation paths, you empower yourself to ensure your report receives the attention it warrants. This proactive approach not only protects your rights but also helps create a safer, more accountable workplace for everyone. Your persistence in seeking a resolution demonstrates your commitment to fairness and can ultimately lead to positive change.